Imagine if your body came with its own invisible cleaning crew. A team working every second of every day to repair damage, remove waste, fight harmful invaders, and keep everything balanced. The amazing truth is that your body already has this system. You don't need complicated tricks or extreme methods to support your health. Your body was designed with powerful natural processes that constantly maintain and protect you. Think about your home. Even the cleanest house needs regular maintenance. Dust needs to be removed, broken things need to be repaired, and old items need to be replaced. Your body works in a similar way. Every moment, millions of tiny processes are happening inside you to keep your internal environment stable. Cells are being repaired, damaged parts are removed, and new materials are created. One of the most important organs in this cleaning system is your liver. It acts like a chemical processing center, helping transform unwanted substances so they can be removed from the body. Every day, your liver works quietly in the background, processing nutrients, supporting metabolism, and helping your body handle substances it no longer needs. Your kidneys are another incredible part of this natural system. They filter your blood continuously, removing extra waste and balancing fluids and minerals. They are like precision machines that constantly check the quality of your internal environment. Without you even thinking about it, they are helping maintain the perfect balance your body needs. Then there is the lymphatic system, a network that many people rarely think about. Unlike blood circulation, which has the heart as a pump, the lymphatic system depends heavily on movement. Walking, stretching, and everyday activity help this system transport waste materials and support your immune defenses. This is one reason why a body that moves regularly often functions better than a body that remains inactive. But perhaps the most fascinating cleaning system happens inside your individual cells. Your cells are not just simple building blocks. They are intelligent, constantly working factories. Over time, old or damaged cellular parts can develop. Your body has natural recycling processes that identify these damaged components, break them down, and reuse valuable materials. It is like your cells having their own recycling program. The important lesson is that your body is not waiting for a special drink, a miracle supplement, or an expensive program to begin cleaning itself. The process is already happening. The real goal is to create the conditions that allow these systems to work at their best. When we overload the body with poor habits, constant stress, lack of sleep, and inactivity, we make these natural processes harder. But when we provide the right environment through simple choices, movement, quality nutrition, proper rest, and healthy routines, we support the incredible intelligence already built into our biology. Your body is not a machine that needs constant fixing. It is a living system designed for balance, repair, and renewal. The secret is not forcing the body to clean itself. The secret is removing the obstacles that prevent it from doing what it was created to do. There is a powerful process inside your body that many people overlook: the ability to repair, recycle, and restore itself when given the right conditions. One of the simplest ways to support this natural intelligence is by allowing your body periods of rest from constant digestion. This is where the idea of fasting becomes interesting, not as a punishment or extreme challenge, but as a natural rhythm that gives your body time to focus on maintenance. Think about a factory that runs non-stop every day. If the machines never stop, workers can produce products, but there is little time for deep cleaning, repairs, and replacing old equipment. The same principle applies to your body. When you are constantly eating throughout the day, your digestive system is always active, processing nutrients and managing incoming energy. But when you create periods of rest, your body can shift some of its attention toward repair and renewal. Inside your cells, there is a remarkable process called autophagy. The word comes from ancient terms meaning self-eating, but the idea is much more organized than it sounds. It is like a cellular recycling system. Your cells identify old, damaged, or unnecessary components and break them down so useful materials can be reused. Instead of allowing damaged parts to accumulate, your body has a built-in way to clean up and maintain its internal environment. Imagine cleaning out an old storage room. Over the years, unused items collect, taking up space and making it harder to find what you need. When you finally organize that room, you remove what is no longer useful and create a better environment. Your cells perform a similar process through natural recycling mechanisms. Fasting does not create this ability, your body already has it. The goal is simply to create conditions where these processes can function effectively. Throughout human history, periods without food were a normal part of life. Our ancestors did not always have access to food every few hours, so the human body evolved mechanisms to adapt to times of eating and times of rest. However, modern life has changed this pattern. Many people eat from morning until late at night, giving the digestive system very little downtime. Constant eating, especially when combined with highly processed foods and unhealthy habits, can place additional demands on the body. Giving your body a break from digestion may also help support better energy regulation and metabolic balance. When the body is not constantly processing new calories, it can better manage stored energy and maintain important biological functions. This is one reason researchers continue studying the relationship between meal timing, metabolisms, and healthy aging. The most important idea is that health is not always about adding more things. Sometimes it is about allowing the body to return to its natural rhythms. Rest is not inactivity. Just as sleep allows your brain and muscles to recover, periods of nutritional rest can give your internal systems an opportunity to perform their maintenance work. Your body is constantly trying to protect you. It carries millions of years of biological wisdom inside every cell. By respecting its natural cycles, eating wisely, allowing recovery time, and avoiding constant overload, you give your body the opportunity to use the cleaning and repair systems it already possesses. The simplest actions can sometimes support the most powerful processes happening silently within you. Movement is one of the oldest medicines known to the human body. Before modern technology, before gyms, and before complicated fitness programs, humans survived by walking, carrying, climbing, and constantly moving. Our bodies were designed for activity because movement is not just about building muscles or burning calories. It is one of the ways the body keeps itself balanced, energized, and clean. Inside your body, there is a transportation network working every second. Your blood carries oxygen and nutrients to your cells, while your body's waste removal systems help transport unwanted materials away. The heart is the main pump for blood circulation. But another important system, the lymphatic system, depends heavily on your movement. The lymphatic system works quietly in the background, helping maintain fluid balance and supporting your immune defenses. Unlike the heart, which pumps blood automatically, the lymphatic system does not have its own central pump. Instead, it relies on muscle contractions, breathing, and body movement to help push lymph fluid through the body. This means every step you take, every stretch you perform, and every deep breath you breathe can contribute to this natural process. Think of your body like a city. Roads allow supplies to enter and waste to leave. If the roads become blocked, transportation slows down and problems begin to appear. Movement helps keep your internal roads open. It encourages circulation, supports healthy tissue function, and helps your body maintain its natural flow. Walking is one of the simplest examples of this. A daily walk may seem ordinary, but your body experiences thousands of small benefits from each step. Your muscles contract, your circulation increases, your joints receive movement, and your nervous system receives signals that keep your body active and adaptable. Many people believe that exercise only matters when it is intense, but biology does not work that way. Your body responds to consistent movement. A few minutes of walking, gentle stretching, or regular activity throughout the day can be valuable because the body prefers regular signals over occasional extremes. Movement also influences your breathing. When you walk or exercise, your breathing pattern changes, allowing more oxygen to enter your body. Oxygen is essential because every cell uses it to produce energy. Better oxygen delivery helps your tissues perform their daily tasks more efficiently. Another fascinating connection is between movement and the brain. Physical activity sends signals through your nervous system, encouraging your brain to stay adaptable. The body and brain are not separate machines, they communicate constantly. When your body moves, your brain receives information that you are active, capable, and prepared. A lifestyle without enough movement can make these natural systems less efficient. Sitting for long periods reduces muscle activity and limits the signals that tell your body to keep circulating and maintaining itself. This does not mean you need extreme workouts every day. It means your body needs regular reminders that movement is part of life. The secret is simplicity. A walk after a meal, stretching in the morning, taking the stairs, or standing up regularly during the day can all become powerful habits. Small movements repeated consistently create a larger impact over time. Your body was built to move, and movement is one of the ways it cleans, repairs, and protects itself. Every step is not just exercise, it is a message to your body that it is alive, active, and ready to continue the incredible work of maintaining balance from the inside out. Sleep is one of the most powerful natural processes your body uses to restore, repair, and clean itself. Every night when you close your eyes and enter deep sleep, your body does not simply shut down. Instead, an incredible amount of work begins behind the scenes. While your conscious mind rests, your cells, organs, immune system, and brain begin their maintenance process. Think of sleep like the nighttime maintenance crew of a massive city. During the day, the city is busy with activity. Roads are crowded, energy is being used, and waste is being produced. But when the city becomes quieter at night, workers can repair damaged roads, remove waste, and prepare everything for another day. Your body follows a similar pattern. One of the most fascinating discoveries about sleep is how it helps the brain remove waste. Throughout the day, your brain is constantly active. Your neurons communicate, process information, create memories, and solve problems. Just like any active system, this process creates waste materials that need to be cleared away. During deep sleep, the brain activates a cleaning process that helps move unwanted substances away from brain tissue. This cleaning system is connected to what scientists call the lymphatic system. It acts like a specialized waste removal pathway inside the brain. During deep sleep, spaces between brain cells become more open, allowing fluid to move more effectively and help clear away waste products. It is almost like your brain opens its own cleaning channels when the lights go out. Sleep also plays a major role in repairing the body. While you rest, your body releases important hormones that support tissue recovery, muscle repair, and regeneration. The small damages created by daily activities can be repaired more efficiently when your body has enough quality sleep. Your immune system also depends on sleep. Every day, your body encounters challenges from the environment, and your immune defenses are constantly working to protect you. During sleep, your immune system gets time to organize, strengthen, and prepare its response. This is why poor sleep can leave people feeling less energetic and more vulnerable. Another important function of sleep is balancing the body's internal signals. Hormones that control hunger, stress, energy use, and recovery are influenced by your sleep patterns. When sleep is disrupted, these signals can become confused, affecting how your body manages energy and responds to daily demands. The amazing thing is that sleep does not require complicated equipment or expensive solutions. It is already built into your biology. Your body naturally knows how to enter this repair mode. The goal is simply to create the right environment for it to happen. Simple habits can support better sleep, keeping a regular sleep schedule, reducing bright light before bedtime, creating a calm environment, and allowing your mind time to slow down. These small actions tell your body that it is safe to begin its restoration process. Many people try to improve their health by constantly adding more supplements, more routines, more activities. But sometimes the most powerful action is allowing the body to do what it already knows how to do. Sleep is not wasted time. It is the period when your body performs some of its most important work. Every night, your body enters a natural cleaning and repair cycle. Your brain organizes information, your cells restore themselves, your immune system prepares, and your entire system moves closer to balance. Sleep is not just a break from life. It is one of the ways your body protects and renews life itself. The human body is an incredible system designed with the ability to adapt, repair, and maintain itself. But like any complex system, it works best when it receives the right signals every day. The secret to supporting your body's natural cleaning processes is not one magical habit or a single powerful solution. It is the combination of small, consistent actions that create an environment where your body can perform at its best. Think about a garden. A healthy garden does not grow because of one drop of water or one day of sunlight. It grows because it receives the right conditions repeatedly over time. Your body works the same way. Every healthy choice you make is like giving your body the resources it needs to maintain balance. One of the simplest ways to support your body is through the food you provide. Every meal is information. The nutrients you consume become the building blocks your cells use for energy, repair, and protection. Foods rich in natural nutrients help provide vitamins, minerals, and compounds that support your body's internal processes. Instead of thinking about food only as something that fills your stomach, think of it as a message you send to every cell in your body. Hydration is another important part of this process. Water helps transport nutrients, regulate temperature, and support the removal of waste products. Every cell in your body depends on a proper balance of fluids to function effectively. Something as simple as drinking enough water throughout the day helps create the environment your body needs to perform its natural tasks. Sunlight also plays a role in human biology. Your body uses signals from natural light to help regulate your internal clock, which influences sleep patterns, energy levels, and daily rhythms. Spending time in natural light can remind your body when it is time to be active and when it is time to prepare for rest. Breathing is another powerful but often overlooked habit. Every breath delivers oxygen, a molecule essential for energy production inside your cells. Slow, controlled breathing can also help activate the nervous system's relaxation response, reducing unnecessary stress signals that can affect the body's balance. Stress management is equally important. Your body is constantly responding to the signals around you. When stress becomes constant, your body may remain in a state of high alert, Creating moments of calm through relaxation, mindfulness, hobbies, or time in nature gives your body a chance to return to a balanced state. The most powerful transformation comes from consistency. A single healthy day is helpful, but repeated habits create lasting change. A short walk every day, a better sleep routine, healthier meals, and moments of relaxation may seem small individually, but together they create a powerful message for your body. The body does not need perfection, it needs support. Extreme approaches often focus on quick results, but biology works through gradual improvement. Your cells are constantly responding to the choices you make, adapting to the environment you create inside yourself. The true secret is understanding that your body is already working for you. It has systems designed to clean, repair, and protect you every moment. Your role is not to force these processes, but to remove the barriers that slow them down. When you combine movement, proper rest, nourishing food, hydration, and a balanced lifestyle, you create the conditions where your body's natural intelligence can shine. The simplest daily habits can become powerful tools, helping your body continue its lifelong mission of maintaining health from the inside out.